In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the language settings on Wayfair's website, ensuring you have the best browsing experience tailored to your preferred language. First, we'll begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Wayfair's website. You'll find that Wayfair offers a variety of home furniture and decor, making it essential that you're comfortable with the language settings to enhance your shopping experience. Once you have Wayfair.com loaded on your screen, we'll move on to the next step. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your web browser. Here you should be able to see a symbol that looks like 3 vertical dots. This button is crucial as it serves as the gateway to accessing your browser's settings. After spotting the 3 dots, go ahead and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, look for the Settings option and select it. This will direct you to a new page or tab, depending on your browser, filled with various categories that you can adjust according to your preferences. Among these options, you'll want to focus on the Languages setting. Clicking on this will allow you to customize your browsing language. At this stage, you'll be presented with the languages currently set on your browser. To accommodate a new language, you need to click on the option to add a language. You'll find this function usually presented with a button labeled something like Add Languages or Add. The interface may vary slightly depending on the browser you're using, but generally, it's straightforward. After clicking Add, a menu displaying a wide array of languages will appear. Carefully scroll through this list to find the language you wish to add. Once located, select the language by clicking on it. It's important to choose a language that you're fluent in or comfortable using, especially if it's your primary language, as this ensures a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience on Wayfair. Concluding the process, the new language will be added to your list of browser languages. From here, you can choose to set it as the default language if desired. This step is particularly helpful if you frequently shop on websites like Wayfair and prefer viewing content in a specific language. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your browser settings to include your desired language, optimizing your interaction with Wayfair's website. With your language settings properly configured, you're now ready to explore Wayfair's vast selection of furniture, decor, and more, all in a language that you find easy to understand and navigate. Enjoy your shopping.